Sometimes we need to connect to the Quest database, to the ADAM database. How can this be done? First we go to the project, open project, and we will find all the needed information. Our ADAM machine, the port, and most importantly the project name. We have to finish this wizard, and then we will navigate to our ADAM machine, go to Programs, ADAM, and start ADAM ADSI Edit. Right mouse, connect to, and here we need to know the name of our project. I can look up the name in the QMM GUI in the taskbar on the right side all the way down. In my case the name is QMM AD. The server name doesn't matter, it's a local host, but the port is important in this case. Because it's a DC, I am using 50,000. The credentials are good, and now we connect to our project. This is my project, and this is the content of the project. I could go and try and find the user or the object intuitively, but this is a tedious task. It will take lots of time. In this case we will find our matching or mapping information, all the objects here. Instead we will just go to the connection properties, click on new, and create a new query. The name is irrelevant. The root of the search will be the entire database, because we are not sure where the object is located. And the search, the string itself, will be put in the brackets. Aelita AMM source SAM account name. I just need to know the name, the SAM account name of the object. Once the query has been created, we just go to this query and we will see the object. We can go to the properties of this object and we will see absolutely all attributes. For my search I could have used another attribute, for example Aelita AM source name, or the target name, or target SAM account name. And this is a place where DSA is storing and looking up all the information. If we, for example, go and modify the source UPN, then DSA, Directory Synchronization Agent, will assume this value needs to be applied. But the most important attribute is Aelita AM switched. This setting controls the switch status of the mailbox. If for some reason I have to switch a mailbox manually, I will just set the redirectors manually and I will set the status switch true here. Then I can just lean back and enjoy how DSA DIRSync will mark this mailbox as switched. Once more, I can change and modify any attribute. This is of course not recommended, but sometimes this is needed. Aelita AM switched is probably the most important attribute when doing the migration. If I set it to switched, then DIRSync will mark this mailbox as switched and DSA will populate and set all the redirectors in the source and in the target correctly, and the mailbox will be switched immediately. If I go and unselect the checkbox and view all the attributes, I will see lots of attributes. For example, Aelita AM deleted. As soon as I set this to true, the tool will assume this object has been deleted from the database, and it will not put this user in the INI file when updating resources.